So in addition to using YouTube search to get keyword suggestions and create keyword lists and to do some keyword research, you can also use Google. So don't ever forget about Google, because it is the #1 search engine, and then YouTube is #2. And you can see here by typing top 10 YouTubers, you can see the benefits of being on Google and optimizing for Google as well. Because you can see that they do show YouTube videos, and they do put some priority on these YouTube videos, boosting them up within search rankings over websites and other pages. So YouTube does perform better in SEO and within search rankings than a lot of websites that probably have been around for a while and have a whole bunch of content on them. So Google, just like YouTube, it provides you that critical keyword list when you are typing in within search, and you can get them within the drop down and create your lists from there as well. In addition to being able to create your keyword lists here, you're also able to go down to the bottom of your search, and it's got a whole bunch of related terms to your search term. So these are really good long tail keywords, as well as really great ideas for new videos that you can create. So every time you enter in a search, it has related search. And as you can see here, if I was doing a top 10 video for YouTubers, I can see here's one idea, here's another one with the most subscribers, here's one with the most income, most subscribers again, and top 10 YouTubers of all time. So right here, there's at least 3, if not 4 different videos that I can be creating based around that one particular keyword. And then as you expand your keyword lists, you can keep entering additional keywords and getting a whole bunch of new ideas for videos. So very effective and very great way to create new ideas, as well as find popular terms that are being searched within Google and YouTube.